Okay, so I'm about to connect the temperature sensor and adapter that came with the Glowshift, the water temperature Glowshift gauge. Um, Hopefully I haven't already mentioned all this, but the sensor itself, it's already bolted on or threaded on. Typically, what you want to do with this, and I already drained the coolant from the line, or most of it anyway, so it's safe to do whatever you're going to do. But I already marked the line that I'm going to cut. You're going to cut all the way through, essentially cutting this entire piece off, and you're going to sandwich the adapter between both ends of the hose, of the radiator hose. This end's going to slide into this end, and this end's going to slide into here, and you'll use your clamps to tighten that sucker on, and that's it. You should be good to go. I'm going to try to mount my phone onto this little tripod and actually record this. I'm going to try to. It's kind of tough because this thing isn't the most stable, and it's tough to have the phone in this tight area and, you know, record anything, but I'll do my best. So I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully I can have the phone just stay there, not topple over or move. And hopefully we can get this all in one shot. Trying to get this cut as straight as possible. And in view. Hopefully I can get this in focus. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. I put a little bit of oil on this outlet here on this side, hopefully to get the hose to slide in there. Okay, got that. Hopefully you can see that. The bottom end on. It was a bit of a workout because this thing is on tight, and this hose is new, so it's very how do you say, tight and stiff, but no big deal. It just means she's gonna last and won't have to worry about leaks or anything. And for a little bit of make it faster and easier, I think this is a 7mm socket. Sure the sucker's on as possible. So we don't get any leaks. Leaks are no fun at all. Okay. Hopefully I can get this end just on there just as easily. Just gotta pour a little bit of, hopefully you can see that little oil there as well. Get just a little bit in there as well. Oops. Sure. Okay, got that one on. That one was actually easier, believe it or not. Gotta make sure the whole hose is on there. Get this clamp on there. And this clamp is for it'll go hopefully you can see that. Whoops. Okay. I just got to refill the little bit of fluid that we drained out and start her up. Make sure there's no leaks, and go check out the gauge. So I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you can hear me talking over the engine running. It's not crazy loud, but so I've had it running for a little while now, a couple minutes. No leaks, no wetness. That's always a good sign. it's really cold outside right now, so it's temperature's rising very slow. But another reason, I forgot, this is another one of those things that I forgot to mention. This thing will always run just a little bit colder because I purposely removed the thermostat, which goes right here. The reason I removed it was I've had, since I've had the truck, I've had at least 2 of them go bad. And that causes all kinds of problems, you know. Your radiator and engine will start to overheat and all that, and that's just not something good. So I just flat out removed it, and it's constantly, the coolant's constantly flowing, which keeps the engine cooler during the summer, which is a good thing. But it also means it runs just a little bit cooler during the winter. Also not a big deal. Not really. I mean, it's not hurting anything. So, but yeah, hopefully you can see as far as installing this part of the Glowshift gauge, this aspect of the temperature gauge is not that difficult. It's an easy one. But yeah, so I'll see ya.